Elke donderdagavond live muziek. The Sound of Haarlem.
Always wanna know what's going on. Only talk when something's wrong. Once they figure out what went down, they won't be the one left hanging around. Always wanna know what's going on. Only talk when something's wrong. Once they separate the black from white, they disappear again in the darkness of the night. Eat my soul. Eat me alive. Do you really want it to this fucked up life? You think your life is tough, 'cause you have to work hard. I worked harder than hard. I watched it fall apart. Watch my friends move along while they buried my soul. Now I lost control, lost control. I can't take this anymore. Always wanna know what's going on. Only talk when something's wrong. Acting like you're my best friend. How can you be so fucking ignorant? Always wanna know what's going on. Only talk when something's wrong. When was the last time you stood by my side? I can't remember when you helped me get through the night. Eat my soul. Eat me alive. Do you really want to taste of this fucked up life? You think your life is tough, 'cause you have to work hard. I worked harder than hard, and watch it fall apart. Watch my friends move along while they buried my soul. Now I lost control, lost control. I can't take this anymore. Tell me how to deal with this much pain. They can stand the way, where I go insane. 'Cause you don't understand. It doesn't mean I'm wrong. Now I'm losing control, 'cause I can't take this anymore. Was it too hard for you? Too hard for you to see how you broke the last piece inside of me? How was I supposed to hide what was going on inside? Have you forgotten that I have feelings too? I was wrong to let you see this side of me. Didn't realize you couldn't deal what you're